In this tutorial I will show you how to enable call waiting on Samsung device. First go to the phone app by tapping on this phone icon. And then tap on the menu in the top right corner. And select Settings. On the Settings page you want to go to Supplementary Services. Tap on that. And it's going to take a second or two to check. Here you will find call waiting. For me it's already enabled. So you want to tap on that toggle. And that will enable call waiting on your Samsung device. That is basically how to enable call waiting on your Samsung phone.